Lebanon County in south-central Pennsylvania, southwestern Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, northern New York County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:15 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Muir to Penn National Raceway to Siddonsburg, moving east at 25 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Middletown and Palmyra, Pine Grove and Campbelltown, Fredericksburg and Cleona, St. Helens, Lebanon, Elizabethtown and Bainbridge, Cornwall. This will impact the following central Pennsylvania interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 240 and 295, Interstate 78 between mile markers 0 and 8, Interstate 81 between mile markers 74 and 108, Interstate 83 between mile markers 18 and 48, Interstate 283. This will also impact the following major roads: the Harrisburg Airport Connector, State Highway 283, Route 22, Route 30, Route 209, Route 222, Route 322, Route 422, State Road 501. Severe thunderstorms produce damage. Move inside a permanent building now to be safe from strong wind gusts. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Dauphin County in south-central Pennsylvania, Lancaster County in south-central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in south-central Pennsylvania, Southwestern Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, northern New York County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:15 p.m.